The Nyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization Hito has registered a formal and detailed protest with the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change voicing strong opposition to the proposed establishment of an integrated cement plant and a captive power plant by Shri Cement Limited. The protest centers on the plant location at Kharasiang Lum Pershin, Daistong village in East Jainte Hills, Meghalaya. Hito formally submitted its representation to Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav with the letter channeled through Dr. V. George Jenner, the Deputy Director General of Forests Central at the Integrated Regional Office in Shillong. The organization, represented by President Donbok Dakhar and Legal Secretary Shania Nongrum, asserted that the proposed industrial projects pose significant threats to the regional environment and the livelihoods of the indigenous population. According to Hito, the projects risk serious adverse impacts on local farmlands, vital water sources, the general environment and the traditional way of life prevalent in the area. The formal protest calls on the Union Ministry to intervene and review the clearances granted to Shri Cement Limited, prioritizing environmental sustainability and the protection of indigenous community interests over industrial development in the sensitive region. President Donbok Dakhar highlighted the immediate proximity of the project site to habitation, stating that the location lies between 0.82 kilometers and 1.4 kilometers from Daistong village. The Hito president argued that this proximity generates substantial risks and exacerbates the organization's existing concerns regarding the long-term impact of plants. Donbok Dakhar further alleged that the company had received necessary clearances through the state's single window agency, which is headed by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. He expressed serious reservations regarding the governance process, stating it was, quote, improper for the authorities to issue clearances merely because proposals were forwarded from Delhi, unquote. Additionally, Hito president claimed that the procedures followed for acquiring land for the proposed cement and power plants appear to contravene the stipulations set forth in the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1971, suggesting a potential legal violation in the land acquisition process.
Ni mentari sina ka Nyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization ni phak ni ka kurwa ka ni ka city syai Union Minister Bhupender Yadav, Minister jongka Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Lingba jong Director Deputy Director General Forest, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Dr. V. George Jenner IFSS. Hakani ka city nila ai ya kata ka jing batai details habiya dai bat kata ka propose site ka ban ken khat public hearing ha ka khat khandai tarik hangtai hapo snong daistong ka ba la khot de kan ka ban ba thmu ban penlong da kan ka Shri Cement Limited Hakhara Siang Lom Pershin Daistong Jainte Hill District tenakaliang ko jongi kumpang ong pimentan ngila ai ya kata ka memo kapakin pha nang ni ngila detail dot hang to bat hang ni ngila batai ru ya kata umdei kat kum ka jing keren ka jongi hende hadian ka summary ka bala deble da kan ka Shri Cement kat kum kan ka summary ka jongki ka pen i ba kalong ka ba madu hadu kata ka jing bu ya ka ban bu ya kata ka cement factory hang to nomor kadon kum ba 0.82 la ne 1.4 kilometer kam jengai na po ta kasnong habat hapedeng kin bu ya kata bat narut kan dei kata ka hali ka ba kit penthor ka ba te hadian bangi la i kum tangi la research ruba ki don kamru ko kumba andrus pa KLD bat ya sans pa khatsan KLD ya kata ka ko basngur ka ban penmi nang to na po ka telong na po sno te balai na kaliang ko jong ni haban persya ya kan ka kam namar kan kata sikat dai ya kita ki nong song snong hang tai bat philai i hi dai tang ngai ka to wat hadu mentai philai i ba wat ka barni ru la pen i kum kata ka kami khalia kalangat polluted area tang na benta badan gaberni temental ada pipek de hapok thangi sentia ka pui ka bla isar khai te lada dang ai lat to komut kini ki boy kinong song snong huntu kin do lot yok ba u khau bat kin ye yale chano bat ko wi ni la i shu shu kanuk sa kum hapok Delhi menta pe ke kanno ka jing jinjar ke ki pai ba ban ring mensen katu ka pollution kam dei ka ba kadon kata ka company nang tuan dei ki dei na po ki we ki jela pat kata ru ka kata hadu kato tengi le hang ni ka ba hajan ka ba kumpa ngai pi mana 0.82 ka ba ngimla ban pediam te bat ko we ru ka ba ni sung phla e ba ha ka ni hi ka jing ai permission ka dei hi ling ba jong ka single window agency ka bala khli hi do chief minister jong ka jela me khalia kontrak kongkal sangma tenri ban chule don bor ban ong ba ban chungiat ba tang na ba ki la pha na po Delhi ku kumne kumtai ba kin chu ai bor ye kita gi simen kani kam de ka corporate state de ka ri go jongi ka de ka schedule ka de ka ngidon je kata ka unique history ka jongi ka de ka jaka ka jongi ka khando ka jongi ka ka jongi de ru nong wei ru nong ar wan batai start bun de bar sko wei ru ngila yo jing tip si sai ka don sai ka ya kata ka gi jing thiet kita gi khando bi siap ning ba kata ka land from sa act la wai le dot man nga kwaru ban kan sayo minister chief minister jongi ba sung ba hashim kiai kene ka kam kumba phi la kular ho arajar khat pra ba phi manra ya kene ka new meghla handrei ka ba hadian ba phi ai pa kene ka single window agency ka pau shai ba phim burom phim ejra phi lek leng ban ong ba phi deu tau leader jong kan dis handrei phi up pat ye kita ki brio lo jong bakin yap hakat tedem bakin do ya kata ka hot kapot ka jongki ka penthor ka jongki tingi num pediang bat ngi la ong be ngin don rengkat bat kini ki nong song snong jong ka snong na supo is janti hel da khamtam ha ya ka snong dai stong bangin mai lat namar ka kata bat ka kami hi ka diga kami jungi ka do khndau ka siap ndre nun dalawan ubriu man u banabat un bat body ka kami ngi kum ki khon nginum ai lat ta leileru te gena kalian ko jungi ngin ap ya ka juba wot bat ya ka jingi ki ngin sapna wat ala da ka sarkar lingba ka sarkar kami bat ada ka sarkar jingba ka kam sim ya kata ka senjam ka ban le ka bateng la ne ban cancel shwa ban put on hold bat nga kenturu ya barok hot ki seng ki badan hapo ka brih nyok trap ba ngitip shay kini ki cement company kin lawan sane ki thong de ka spa ka pho so bahawan nam ye be ka to klet sha nambar ka khando ka diga kami jungi nginum te ban long kita ki ba di ka kami la da pisha tarwa de ki pho la ka so bah long yang ka nong rem bat kam tami gitu ki bala dep shimru lingba ka snong ka tham ki no ki ban kiti bamut bande ye ka jat ban reu bande ka khando ka siap jungi khelit ma cha shong ka jaka ki balong polluted ba pin sto ba kumno ki la dep de kata ka ri ba i jungi petang na kum ta na kalian ko jungi in scam be terang ngin pene be jika ni ka jungi khun la da job la da ram hendre ngin tor be bangin ya da ye ka kemi la jong